Hey, I'm Katie with WTI, and as someone that has been gluten-free for almost 20 years, one of the things that I worry about is what in the world am I going to eat in case of an emergency? I want to be able to enjoy real food. That's exactly what I found with Legacy Food Storage. They have a specific gluten-free box where everything in it is real food and gluten-free. Of course, I had to try it. So I pulled out the classic chili. This classic chili is also vegetarian and dairy-free. To try that one because you can really ruin chili, but they did it right. Granted, I don't think it's as good as my chili that I make at home, but the fact that I can put this together in 20 minutes and it's shelf stable and it actually tastes really good, I don't care if it's not as good as mine. It is definitely fresh tasting and it is definitely delicious. Plus, it's really easy to add some ground beef to it because I do like meat in my chili. I found that the chili was nice and flavorful with a little bit of spice, but not too much. It's something that would be kid-friendly. I was very impressed with the portion size. A lot of times with meals like this, you'll find that the portions are very small, and this was not. I am no longer concerned about what I'm going to eat in an emergency situation now that I've got one of these. And that's my point of view.